Hi teacher and classmate, my name is Fabricio Flores. It is a presentation. This is my story. Next. I was born in the 18 in October at the 1997 in the San Luis Hospital of the Otavalo City. I grew up in the Calpaqui community. It is a very quiet place. They are full nature with mountains and forts. I started my study. It is Gotitas de Miel Garden. And then my teacher was my mom. Next, the students continue in the school and just go to school. I meet my friends. Continued my studies. It is and the high school Otavalo in the Otavalo city. I know new persons. Also some teachers good. Anyway. The next, my childhood was very fun. My uncles, we practice sports in the afternoon every day. It is very fun. And my adolescence is also very fun. With my friends, we traveled in the place. For example, mountains and the beach, and the swimming in the pool, walked and the Mojandita place, and no more. From my adolescence, only now I have the many people, my new friends. Is very cool, and we went at the parties in the night, in the Friday. We like the many things. They are very good. No, I am studying at the university. I study contability and auditory. The career is very fantastic, interesting. Before and work in the bank and in the other travels, on the place. Very soon I will graduate, and I will have my professional title yesterday. No more, and this is not the end of my story, to be continued. Finality, it is a collage. The collage is very cool, and first the picture is children and the garden student in the school, and funny, this my conscience. It is my friends in the school, and it is a graduate in the high school. Thank you.